Assalamu alaikum class 4th. Today we'll start our new chapter, Diba's doll. Take out your books and open page number 30. Firstly, I'll read a page and you listen to me carefully, then we'll memorize the difficult words of it. Well done. Diba, we are so proud. Underline the word proud of you. Diba sat up in bed and rubbed her sleepy eyes. The room was full of people. P-R-O-U-D, proud. P-R-O-U-D, proud. P-R-O-U-D, proud. P-R-O-U-D, proud. P-R-O-U-D, proud. P-R-O-U-D, proud. Now class, come to the next page, page number 31. Mum and Dad were there, and so was her sister Neha, her brother Rafe, and even Auntie Anita. It was 6 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. Diba did not have to go to school, so there was no need to rise at 6. But Diba was not annoyed. Underline the word annoyed. Yesterday she had been given some good news. She had come first in her class. She was now delighted. Underline the word delighted. To be up. The family had promised, underline the word promised, her some presents, and here they were. Wake up, sleepyhead, shouted Neha, jumping up and down at the bottom of her bed. Rafe stepped forward and handed her a large parcel. Well done, Diba, he said and added, open this one first. I wrapped, underline the word wrapped, it myself. What is it? Asked Diba excitedly. Underline the word excitedly, taking the parcel from him. Open it and find out, said Rafe. And before you say anything, I bought it with my own money. I knew you would come first, so I have been saving up for months and months and months and A-double-N-O-Y-E-D, annoyed. A-double-N-O-Y-E-D, annoyed. A-double-N-O-Y-E-D, annoyed. A-double-N-O-Y-E-D, annoyed. A-double-N-O-Y-E-D, annoyed. A-double-N-O-Y-E-D, annoyed. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D, delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D, delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D, delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D, delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D, delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D, delighted. P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D, promised. P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D, promised. P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D, promised. P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D, promised. P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D, promised. P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D, promised. WRAPPED, wrapped. WRAPPED, wrapped. WRAPPED, wrapped. WRAPPED, wrapped. WRAPPED, wrapped. WRAPPED, wrapped. EXCITEDLY, excitedly. EXCITEDLY, excitedly. EXCITEDLY, excitedly. EXCITEDLY, excitedly. EXCITEDLY, excitedly. EXCITEDLY, excitedly. Now class, come to the next page, page number 32. Yes, yes, interrupted, underline the word interrupted. Dad, Mum and I know how much you saved. Don't tell Deba how much you owe the bank. But Dad, wailed Rafe, I did save a lot, didn't I? I only borrowed, underline the word borrowed, a little bit from you. Deba was not listening, underline the word listening. She was busy unwrapping, underline the word unwrapping, the parcel. A doll, she exclaimed when the paper was off. How lovely. Thank you, Rafe. It's no ordinary, underline the word ordinary. Doll, said Rafe, quickly, just in case she thought it was. It works on batteries, underline the word batteries. And it talks. Let me show you how it. Let her do it on her own, Rafe, said Mum, gently holding Rafe back. It's her big day and her present, so let her make it work. It was only going to help her with the batteries. Complained, underline the word complained, Rafe. It won't work without them, and putting them in is complicated, underline the word complicated. I am sure she will manage, said Dad, handing her a small packet of batteries. After all, she has proved that she is the brightest girl. INTERRUPTED, interrupted. INTERRUPTED, interrupted. INTERRUPTED, interrupted. INTERRUPTED, interrupted. INTERRUPTED, interrupted. INTERRUPTED, interrupted. BORROWED, borrowed. BORROWED, borrowed. BORROWED, borrowed. BORROWED, borrowed. BORROWED, borrowed. BORROWED, borrowed. LISTENING, listening. 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 LISTEN Listening. Listening. listening, listening. unwrapping, unwrapping. unwrapping, unwrapping. unwrapping, unwrapping. unwrapping, unwrapping. unwrapping, unwrapping. unwrapping, unwrapping. ordinary, ordinary. ordinary, ordinary. ordinary, ordinary. ordinary, ordinary. ordinary, ordinary. ordinary. batteries, batteries. batteries, batteries. batteries, batteries. batteries, batteries. batteries, batteries. batteries, batteries. complained, complained. complained, complained. complained, complained. complained, complained. complained, complained. complained, complained. complicated, complicated. complicated, complicated. complicated, complicated. complicated, complicated. complicated, complicated. complicated, complicated. Now class, come to the next page, page number 33. Diba tore the packet open, removed the back cover of the doll and fitted the batteries in no time. How do you make it talk? She asked. See, I told you, said Rafe, smiling smugly at his parents. Underline the word smugly. She does need help, after all, and big brothers are here to do just that. And before he could be stopped, Rafe pressed a tiny button on the side of the doll. Now say something, Diba, he said. Give the doll an instruction. Underline the word instruction, like attack or fire. smugly, smugly. smugly, smugly. smugly, smugly. smugly, smugly. smugly, smugly. smugly, smugly. instruction, instruction. instruction. instruction, 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 instruction. Now class, come to the next page, page number 34. And the doll will remember and use the words later on. Goodness me, what words, said Mum. I don't think this doll is going to be doing any attacking. Underline the word attacking. Or firing, Rafe. It is not like your action men or battle warriors. Underline the word warriors. Or Tarzan, but a beautiful girl doll. Liba took control. She held the doll close and said, pretty baby, beautiful flower, buttercup, blue sky, please sit, please don't do that. Hello, sweetie. Rafe shook his head, let his jaw drop and rolled his eyes. He looked as if he was in deep agony. Underline the word agony. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, he said. Your doll will learn language. Underline the word language. Sweeter than Auntie and Anita's sticky toffee pudding. Everyone laughed, including Auntie Anita. Over the next half hour, Liba opened the presents. She was thrilled. Underline the word thrilled. With all of them. The doll lay beside her bed while she examined them. Then it was time for breakfast and the family moved downstairs. Attacking, 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 attacking. WARRIORS, warriors. WARRIORS, warriors. WARRIORS, warriors. WARRIORS, warriors. WARRIORS, warriors. WARRIORS, warriors. AGONY, agony. AGONY, agony. AGONY, agony. AGONY, agony. AGONY, agony. AGONY, agony. LANGUAGE, language. LANGUAGE, language. LANGUAGE, language. LANGUAGE, language. LANGUAGE, language. LANGUAGE, language. THRILLED, thrilled. THRILLED, thrilled. THRILLED, thrilled. THRILLED, thrilled. THRILLED, thrilled. THRILLED, thrilled. Now class, come to the next page, page number 35. After breakfast, Liba helped Mum to wash up. Rafe disappeared. Perhaps he was in the garden helping Dad to fix the gate. Diba went to her room to play with her new toys. She put on the green goggles. Underline the word goggles. Auntie Anita had given her. She was becoming quite a good swimmer, so the goggles would be very useful. She would be able to swim for ages without getting red eyes. Diba practiced a few strokes. Underline the word strokes of the crawl. Mum and Dad's present is going to be useful too, thought Diba, picking up a paintbrush. They had given her an easel, paper, and a set of watercolors. She would certainly have fun with those. Mrs. Khan, her art teacher, would be pleased. Put it down now, growled. Underline the word growled. A voice from the corner of the room. Diba jumped and dropped the paintbrush. Rafe, is that you? Asked Diba, looking round. Goggles. 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 Strokes. 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 Growled. 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 Now class, come to the next page. The room. The voice did not sound like Rafe's, and Diba was a little afraid. If you are hiding and trying to scare me, underline the word scare, said Diba, trying to sound bold. You are doing a good job. I shall find you. Run, run, came a shrill, underline the word shrill, voice from near the bed. Scatter, underline the word scatter. We are under attack. The voice was loud and gruff. Diba expected something to come flying across the room. She sat on the floor and covered her head with her hands. Scare, scare. Scare, scare. Scare, scare. Scare, scare. Scare, scare. Scare, scare. Shrill, shrill. 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 Scatter, scatter. Scatter, scatter. Scatter, scatter. 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 Now class, come to the last page, page number 37. There was a loud wail. Underline the word wail. This was followed by angry shouting and lots of instructions. Stay down, came the voice. We are under attack. Load your weapons. Underline the word weapons and be ready to fire. 1, 2, 3, duck, duck, kaboom. There was a loud crack, followed by gunfire, then silence. Diba breathed ever so quietly. She was creeping towards the door to escape. Then she heard the voice again, urge, I'll get you, from her position on the floor. Diba spotted her doll. The doll's arms were moving up and down. Frantically, underline the word frantically, and her eyes were flashing. Rafe, said the doll. In Rafe's voice, you have been a very naughty boy. Ha ha ha. Diba burst into laughter. Wait till I catch that boy of mine, she shrieked as she ran downstairs to find Rafe. W-A-I-L, whale. W-A-I-L, whale. W-A-I-L, whale. W-A-I-L, whale. W-A-I-L, whale. W-A-I-L, whale. W-E-A-P-O-N-S, weapons. W-E-A-P-O-N-S, weapons. W-E-A-P-O-N-S, weapons. W-E-A-P-O-N-S, weapons. W-E-A-P-O-N-S, weapons. W-E-A-P-O-N-S, weapons. F-R-A-N-T-I-C-A-L-L-Y, frantically. F-R-A-N-T-I-C-A-L-L-Y, frantically. F-R-A-N-T-I-C-A-L-L-Y, frantically. F-R-A-N-T-I-C-A-L-L-Y, frantically. F-R-A-N-T-I-C-A-L-L-Y, frantically. F-R-A-N-T-I-C-A-L-L-Y, frantically. Now class, we are ahead towards the end. You must learn these difficult words again at your home. Assalamu alaikum.